Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope that all of you are doing well. So today we are going to make Kadai Paneer. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. तो सब चीज़ तैयार रखिए. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Today I am using 200 grams of paneer. Keep a kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Keep the flame on low and immediately add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chilli powder and a pinch of salt. Saute for a few seconds and then add 200 grams of paneer cut into cubes and saute till the masala coats the paneer. Now add 1 capsicum cut into cubes, 1 medium-sized onion also cut into squares and 2 green chillies. Saute till the onion becomes translucent. Remove to another plate and set aside. In the same oil, add 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 peppercorns, 1 cinnamon piece, 2 cloves, 2 cardamoms. Saute for a few seconds and add 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped and fry till golden brown. When the onions are nice and golden brown, add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and half a tablespoon of ginger paste. Add a few drops of water while sauteing so that the masala does not burn at the bottom, and saute till the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes, add the puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Saute for a few seconds and then add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder and half a teaspoon of salt. We have also added a little bit of salt to the paneer. Adjust the spices according to your preference. Now mix and saute till the oil leaves the sides. Once the tomato mixture is nicely sauteed, add a cup of water and let it boil. The water has started to boil. Let's now add the fried paneer, capsicum, onion mix. Add gently. Mix gently as well. Now add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of dry kasuri methi leaves. Rub it between your palms and sprinkle over the gravy. Also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix gently, cover and cook on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. It's been 5 minutes now. Let's check. The gravy looks nice and thick. Paneer is also done, goes very well with naans and rotis and is a great dinner idea. Also goes well with any other gravy. Goes as a side dish, as an accompaniment. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.